Hello children, today we are going to learn something from the craft paper. We are going to do craft activity. Come on, let's do something out of the craft paper. See, this is a square craft paper. This is white from this side and colorful from back side. We have to keep the colorful side down and white paper up. So what are we going to make? We are going to make a dog out of a craft paper. Your paper should be perfect square. This is your craft paper. Just turn it like this into a kite shape, diamond shape. See, this is your diamond shape. We are also learning shapes in this. While doing craft activity, we are going to learn some shapes. So which shape is this? This is a diamond shape. Now let's do one fold. Just take the upside and bring it to the downside. Very easy activity. And just press it. So now this shape is turned into a triangle, isn't it? See? Very easy. So this is your triangle. Nothing you have to do to make a dog. Now take this corner, left hand corner, and just bring it down like this. So this is your dog's ear. Bring the other side also in the same way. Okay. See. A bit more from this side. And see here. Okay. And for showing its mouth, you can just take it up and press it here. Take some part, fold some part again and keep it like this. Press it again. So this is your dog. Now let's make its eyes. Just make a big circle. Inside the big circle, a small circle. Again, a big circle and a small circle. So these are dog's eyes. And here we are going to just put dot, dot, dot. You have seen on its face? And so this is dog's tongue. This is your dog ready. Now let's see how to paste a dog on a A4 size paper, or you can call it full scale paper. So just write date first. Here you will write the date 17 2020. And what are you going to paste? A dog. So you have to write here a dog. Underline 8. Now let's paste a dog. Put some Fevicol or Fevistick behind it. Paste it like this. You can just put some Fevicol here also, so that here gets stuck here. So your dog is ready. See, your dog is ready. Now let's see how to make a boat. You know, where does the boat sail? In the river, in the sea. So let's learn how to make a boat. Again, we need a craft paper. See, this is your craft paper. This is white side and this is colorful side. It is yellow color. This time we are going to put the color side on top. And now let's fold it. In rectangle. Now which shape is this? You are going to learn in maths many shapes. So out of that one you have learned triangle. Now this is your rectangle. What shape is this? Rectangle. See. Now again fold it from right to left. This is your square shape. This is your square shape. Press it nicely. And what you have to do, see how many layers you have got? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is your fourth layer. You have to bring all these 3 layers here and fold it like this by pressing it. Fold it like this by pressing this towards your side. And the last one, only the single one, left one, you have to press it behind like this. Okay, see this. Now this is triangle shape. So you have learnt in this rectangle, square and triangle shape. Now what you have to do is, you have to hold it like this and see there is a gap. See, like a cap. Like a cap you will find here. Okay, so you have to hold it with your thumb, both the things, both the sides, and you have to press it like this towards your side. Okay? See, like this. Now again, you have got a diamond shape. You have got a diamond shape. Now what you have to do is, you have to open the first layer from here. Okay? Open both the sides. See. And you have got a shape. Your shape is ready. You have to just press like this. Okay? So now, see, your ship is ready to sail in water. Now, let's paste ship also on your full scale. Put some gum or Fevicol or Fevistick a bit here so that it doesn't open. Then here and paste it. This is your boat ready. You have to write the name also, okay? What is the name of this craft? It is a boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Let's draw some water also under the boat. It's sailing in the water now, so let's draw some water. Wow, very beautiful. One more fun activity with craft paper. Now we are going to make a photo frame in which your photo will be stuck, and then you will write about yourself. So let's see how to make it. Now this is again a craft paper. It is of Which color? Pink. Okay, see here. Dark pink. So now again this time your color side will go down. Okay. First we are going to fold it like this. This is just for getting the crease निशान गिराने के लिए. Okay. Then again fold it. This is your rectangle shape, and then again fold it like this for a square shape. So you have got crease. See, crease means you will get the lines. See, here you have got the lines. If you see, you have got the lines. Now here center is there. What you have to do is you have to bring all the corners, this corner, this corner, this corner, and this corner to the center. So let's start from the left side. Fold it like this and press it like this. This is one corner which you have brought here. Now the second side, right side, fold it like this, press it. It should not overlap. Okay, it should not overlap. Remember always, whenever you are doing craft work, it should not overlap. Then this corner, bring it here. Okay, and the last I will turn it so that it's easy for doing. Yes, it is easy to do now. See, so this is your square. See, all the corners have come here in the center. Can you see? All corners have come to the center. Now what you have to do is turn it back like this. Again the same process you have to do. You have to bring all the corners to the center. This corner, this corner, this corner, this corner in the center. Let's start from here. In the center. Again bring this. Press it. Bring it here. Press it. Turn the side. Bring this here. Again press it. And the last side you have to bring in the center and press it. See again what is this formed? A square. Again you have to turn the side and bring it like this. Now all these center sides will go inside. See, with the thumb you press this paper inside. Okay, see, like this and press it like this. So this is your one side. Again take thumb inside and put that paper, fold it like this, turn and again put it, again we have folded this side, we have put that inside. Again take it from your thumb and put it inside, press it inside like this. So this is your photo frame. Your photo frame is ready. Now let's paste photo inside. Before that, what we will do, we will put Fevicol behind, so these parts doesn't open. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to put one dot here so that it doesn't open. Yes. So now we will paste your photo. This is my photo. So I am going to paste it here and put it inside this. photo frame is ready. Yes, see my photo frame. So beautiful it is looking. Isn't it? Nice, na?